Are you looking to reduce your ecological footprint even in the way you garden? Did you know that the tool you choose can make a huge difference, not just for the planet, but also for how easy gardening feels? Now this video is more for advanced gardeners who are ready to invest in high-quality, durable tools. Personally, I'm more of the use what I already have type, but I can't deny that the right equipment makes everything so much smoother, even on a balcony. And make sure you stick around until the end because I will share my #1 maintenance trick, the simple thing you can do once a year to make your tools last practically forever. When we talk about ecological tools, it's not just about avoiding plastic. It's about the entire life cycle of the tool. First of all, consider what the tool is made from. Ideally, it should come from renewable resources or from recyclable materials, such as forged steel. This ensures both sustainability and strength. Next thing about how long the tool is designed to last. A well-built tool should serve you for years, or even decades, without needing constant replacement. Finally, ask yourself whether the tool can be maintained. The best choices are those that can be sharpened, repaired, or restored, rather than simply thrown away. This not only saves money but also reduces waste in the long run. That's what truly makes a tool ecological, not just what it's made of but how long it can serve you. Let's go through the essentials tools and what to look for in ecological versions. For manual tools, spade, shovel, rake, to begin with, always choose models with solid wooden handles. Ideally FSC certified and stainless steels or forged steel heads. Not only they are sturdy and durable, but they are also repairable and sharpenable, which means you won't have to replace them every few years. Moving on, it's worth investing in high-quality pair of pruners, made of high carbon steel, because they can be resharpened and maintained with proper cleaning and oiling. They can literally last a lifetime. In fact, a good pruner is less an expense and more of an investment that pays off for decades. Next, don't overlook gloves. Instead of synthetic fabrics, go for natural materials such as rubber, cotton or hemp. They are breathable and biodegradable, while also still offering the protection you need for everyday gardening tasks. Finally, let's talk about watering. While plastic watering cans tend to crack over time, especially when exposed to the sun, a galvanized metal watering can is far more reliable. With a little care, it can easily last for decades, making it a much more sustainable choice. Even the best tools won't last unless you take care of them. After each use, clean off soil and moisture to prevent rust. Sharpen blades like pruners, hoes or shovels regularly to keep them efficient. Now, if you are like me and prefer to reuse what you already have, there are plenty of creative alternatives too. Turn all plastic bottles into mini greenhouses for seedlings. Use cardboard egg carton as seed starters. Even old forks or spoons can double as mini tools for balcony pots. The point is, whether you invest in high-end ecological tools or upcycle what's around you, there is always a sustainable way to garden. So to sum it up, choose durable tools made of natural or recyclable materials, take good care of them, and don't forget that creativity and reuse go a long way too. And as I promised at the start, here is my #1 maintenance trick. Once a year, give all your wooden handles a coat of linseed oil. It takes just a few minutes, but it will keep them strong, smooth and resistant for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more sustainable gardening tips, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite gardening tool and how do you make it more eco-friendly.